Good afternoon. I'm here with the Spoonies and Peter, and we are at the Spanner Man Sculpture Garden.
It was established in early 2000 when the designer sold off his property, his farm, and he turned his talents to making spanner sculptures.
Don't throw a spanner in the works, Peter. His name was John Piccoli, a Swiss-Italian gentleman.
So he wasn't Greek, so he didn't make spanakopita.
No. Anyway, he started in the year 2000, around 2000, and he passed away in 2021.
And that was a bit gut-wrenching at the time.
So we're going to show you some amazing sculptures whilst we're here.
And
so come along with us and check them out.
I've lost my favourite spanner.
Gee, Jenny, that's a real wrench.
come to the end of our tour around the Spanner Garden, and John Piccoli has done some amazing pieces of art there for you to all see. So if you're ever in Boort, this is a great stopover. What have you got to add, Peter?
There are a few flies around, Joe, and I've just been bitten by mosquitoes.
They're a bit of a nuisance, but let them not.
You'd have to congratulate the guy for the amount of effort that he's put into all of these sculptures. But if you've got a particular interest in heritage farm equipment, you may also come this way as well.
And what do we got here next to us, Peter?
It's a heritage water carrier.
It's a Furphy's water carrier.
Well, water is water.
But no Furphy's beer here.
No, that's an Irish brew, Jojo.
I think it's time to hit a pub and get a good cold beer.
I think so. Good idea.
Let's go. See you on the next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.